Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Wix AI tools to automate site copy updates, full guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Wix account. Navigate to the dashboard of the site you wish to update. Locate the Marketing and SEO section in the left menu. Click on SEO to access your site's SEO tools. In the SEO settings, look for Wix AI tools or AI site copy options. Select the option to update your AI tools. You may see an overview of available AI features. Review the options to automate site copy updates. Choose the specific areas you want to update, such as product descriptions or blog posts. Once you've made your selection, click on Activate or Update to enable the features. Follow any prompts to customize the AI's language and tone according to your brand. After configuring settings, click on Save to apply the changes. To preview the updates, navigate back to your site editor. Check the sections where copy was automated to ensure accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments manually if the AI-generated copy is not satisfactory. Republish your site to make the updated copy live. Monitor the changes over time to assess the AI's effectiveness. Continue refining the settings as needed to optimize performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.